Is there any difference between affect and effect? Or what about it's and it is? What about there, and they are? Of course, there's a big difference in all of these. Hello and अस्सलाम वालेकुम and welcome back to my channel. आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है, it's the continuation of the yesterday's video. Yesterday's video was all about it's and its, there and there. ठीक है जी. एंड उसकी मैंने कंटिन्यूशन इसलिए बनाई है कि अगर किसी से मिस हो गई हो वो वीडियो, सो दे कैन easily cover it in this one. And in this video, the first commonly misused word is effect and effect. ठीक है जी. So the first one we have is effect, AFFECT. So you can take effect as a verb. You can take it as a verb, and it means influence, to influence or to produce a change. ठीक है जी. or produce a change. ठीक है जी. What is it? The first one is affect, AFFECT, and you can take it as a verb, and it means influence or produce a change. ठीक है जी. For example, the weather can affect my mood. ठीक है जी. So it can influence your mood. On the other hand, we have EFFECT. What does this mean? It's usually a noun. What is it? It's a noun. Usually it's a noun, and it refers to the result or outcome of something. ठीक है जी. result or outcome of something. ठीक है जी. For example, the new policy had a positive effect on the company. क्या जी. The new policy had a positive outcome or result on the company. Then let's talk about its and its. ठीक है जी. One is ITS, the other one is IT, comma S. So what is it? It is the first one. It's is what? Can you tell me? It's the possessive form. ठीक है जी. The first one is possessive form. The first one is the possessive form. While ITS is what? Short form of it is or it has. It is or it has. So the first one, like it is the first one, which is the possessive one. We can take example as the dog chased its tail. The dog chased its tail. While on other hand, IT/S or IT, S is contraction of it is or it has. So its example could be it's a beautiful day. ठीक है जी. It's a beautiful day. It means it is a beautiful day. Then the next one we have is there and there. So there refers to what? It refers to a place. ठीक है जी. Then like for example, like a place or location, in fact. ठीक है जी. There refers to a place or location. For example, the book is over there. Then we have the THEIR, there. What does this mean? Can you tell me? Of course you can tell me. It refers to possessive pronoun. ठीक है जी. Then what do we have? इसका एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देख ले तो देयर हाउस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. ठीक है जी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट THEY, comma RE or /RE? It's the contraction of what? Contraction of they are. For example, they are going to the park. They are going to the movies. ठीक है जी. So that's quick summary of different words like affect and effect, it's and it is, there and there. I hope you have understood if not, let me know in the comment section below. I'll repeat it again. ठीक है जी. Let's revise it a bit. The first one is affect and effect. Affect is a verb. You can take it as a verb and it means influence or produce a change. While EFFECT is a noun which refers to a result or outcome. Then the second one is its and its. So its is a possessive one. It/s is the contraction of it is or it has. Then we have there and there. So the THERE there refers to a place or location. THEIR refers to a possessive pronoun, while THEY/RE refers to contraction of they are. I hope it's easy for you now to get it. ठीक है जी. Let me know if you still have any questions. Inshallah, we'll see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.